Hey guys, great to have you on this video. We will be covering the integration module for Smartech's Personalization engine. You would have received an email with a document that looks like this. If you're wondering what to do with it, you are on the right video. We will remove the mystery for you and tell you exactly what to do. Please revisit the proposition once. You can increase your conversion rate anywhere between 8 to 13%. Takes just 15 minutes. You can go live in 5 days and start seeing results within 5 weeks. Visiting point number 1. You will have to insert the JavaScript in the header of your website. The JS has 3 parts: the create key, the register key. Both these would come pre-populated. The third would be the identity key. This is where you pass the unique identifier or primary key for your logged-in users and leave an empty string for your non-logged-in users. A few points with the integration of the JavaScript. Please place it as on top of the header as possible so that the JS call isn't delayed. 2. If it is an asynchronous JavaScript, it loads in parallel to your website and hence will not affect your website speed. 3. If you are wondering how you need to pass the events to us, you don't need to do anything. We will trigger and capture all the events we need on our own. Moving to point number 2, please place this JavaScript on the thank you page of your website. This page comes up after I have purchased a product. We need this JS so that we have access to the entire funnel on your website. Moving to point number 3, we need the product feed to render all products similar to how they are on your website right now. In the requirement document, we would have created the product feed template based on your website. Starting from the top, we need all the attributes associated to a product ID. We need to know what products are in stock so that we don't end up recommending products that aren't available. Other essentials would be the brand, name of the product, category, subcategory, double subcategory. This will help us filter out relevant products per category page. Additionally, the link of the product, the image, URL, rating if it exists, currency would include information about all the possible variations, and the associated MSP, MRP. We can calculate discount on our own from the MSP MRP information, or we can consume it from the product feed. Moving to point number 4, we will need 2 empty pages with /boutique and /liked products. If you plan to call the boutique something else, maybe a smart store, please create /smart store. We need these 2 pages to look exactly like your category page with a header and a footer, but without a left side filter panel. The last point, number 5, we need a zero-value product or a coupon code to test the integration and funnel end-to-end across all devices and browsers. This will help us identify any leaks if they exist. Now, how do you check if the integration is done correctly? Please go to your website, open the Inspect panel, click on Network, reload the page, and filer TWA. You will see the Smartech JS calls in the panel and that it is an indicator that the integration is done. If you don't see the JS calls, please get in touch with us and we can help you. That's all, folks. Integration is done, and now you are closer to experience the power of real-time personalization.